Okay, so I am going to use liquid and dye half the shirt. The other side, we're going to put powder and ice. So here we go. Then just cover your shirt. Alright, I have my ice cubes, and what you want to do is cover this other half with ice cubes, and then we're going to sprinkle the dye. Make sure you cover the front and back of the black. And what we're going to want to do is stack this. Oh. Alright, and then we are going to sprinkle some color. First I'm going to use the Dharma Reactive Dye Lilac. Just sprinkle it around. Ugh. I'm not using what I usually use, so it's coming out quite a bit. Then next we're going to be using Robin's Egg Blue. And just sprinkle it around. And that's it. And in 24 hours, I will show you what it looks like. There you are. All right, here we go. And now we're going to see the reveal. Here is the ice tie-dye. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.